Okay, so the maglev train. The maglev train, while something introduced only in the last decade, has been developing since 1905, when the first patent for the idea of a train using magnetic levitation became a reality. Maglev is derived from the words magnetic levitation. Since 1905, several maglev trains have been tested, but we didn't see it being used for commercial use until 2004 in Shanghai, China. The purpose of this train is to transport people from one location to another. Its advantages versus other trains include sound reduction, less maintenance, and higher speeds. Since the train actually levitates, we see little to no friction, which brings us to our first two advantages. With no scraping of the train on the track, there tends to be a great silence compared to a typical train, which allows a peaceful stop and go. This little friction also leads us into little wear and tear on the tracks and the train. This allows maglev trains to run around 50 years without much maintenance, whereas a typical train must be worked on every few years. The maglev train can run up to 500 kilometers an hour. What this allows is fast transportation and safe transportation. The maglev train was originally opened in 2004 at the Pudong International Airport, Shanghai, China. Since then, only two other maglev lines have opened up, in Aichi, Japan, and Daejeon, South Korea. We also see various tests running out of San Diego and Germany. It is common in places like China or Japan because it is an eco-friendly train compared to diesel trains which burn fossil fuels. This allows places like China to keep a railway system, but to cut back on the pollution they already suffer.